Oh, yeah. Yeah, chill.
Yeah, it's open properly.
Some surprise he bought into the car while Mr. Ronan's walking over there. Oh fuck, I already opened stuff. What is it? Oh, an SD card? What is that? Oh, the lights for the Jetta.
Look at those.
Mr. Ronan over there.
I'm hurting so bad right now. I was going snowboarding, right?
Yeah.
And I went straight into a tree, and my arm has like a nasty scar on it. You guys want to see it? It's
Sure,
like,
educate us.
it is like bleeding still to this day. Like, I'm not even lying. It is like so messed up. Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Someone in a tree.
Somebody went into a tree.
Somebody hit a tree.
It left this really weird mark. I really don't know how I got it. That's what I'm telling my parents anyway.
What'd you get, T?
I mean, it says Plasti.
I went to Walmart and got a whole bunch
And the
of
dip.
random.
And the dip.
At Walmart.
Things
Yeah, I like that. Fucking gay fuck.
You have no idea what happened yesterday.
This is why it's gonna turn out bad, because Sasha's humping me in the
Can you
back.
stop bringing bad karma towards my car?
That's bad karma right there.
I'm going back over to get that spot, you motherfucker.
Let's just point this part out.
You know what? Go fuck yourself.
That's how you don't put. That's how you.
I didn't even expect to work today, and all of a sudden,
Oh, here it
there
goes.
it
Here goes
Every
the
single time. Every single time.
fucking every time I come to hang out, we end up doing work. I wonder why.
No breaks.
I wonder fucking why.
You complain
Even
about
when
the
you're not here, we're always working on something. The videos show the proof.
Whether you're here or not, we're always
Hey,
working.
the video show you fuckers drinking. I don't see any alcohol.
Hey,
Why has their orange juice over here?
look,
Orange
sure.
juice.
It's there, it's in there.
That's bug. Cut him.
He looks at me and he's like, yo, bro.
Then you put the tape like this. Go.
Okay, do it. See? He needs 2 people. I do it by myself.
Yeah, but what did you do? You did nothing.
Nails enough.
You gotta cut that.
You guys fucked it already. Look at that. Get the camera on that. Get the camera on that.
Shut up.
That's
Hold on, watch
fuck
this.
shit.
Disappear.
Oh my god, he
Oh
scratched.
my god, my chrome.
Okay, we're covering it.
You can see scratches through the paint. There's no doubt,
Okay,
right?
we'll fix it.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Shut up, just let me.
Oh my god.
There, done.
perfect.
You get that clean line though that I did the first one?
Oh,
Minty
yes, yes.
fresh. That's why we use the green tape. You can use the blue tape too. That's actually
Yeah,
for outdoors.
Just,
Oh, is it? Is
Yeah.
there actually a difference?
There is a difference.
I have both.
No, the blue tapes, that's more construction purposes. It's
Ah.
like the blue tape's preferred to be used outside, and then the
See,
green
that's the
tape's
smaller
inside.
roll I have, is the blue one.
And actually, cars tend to use the blue tape.
Well, you know what? I'll bring
Okay,
that
now let's
up.
just tape up
I'm
that
not
corner
gonna-
there. Look at TJ.
Who's painting?
So the same way as the wheels, right? That
Oh my god, this is
Light layers, because if you go too close, it drips
Yeah.
straight down.
This
I'm so
one's
scared.
pretty delicate, I do have to say, compared to
close.
the other one. So,
Not too close.
And don't swing too
do a
much.
couple of test sprays,
If you
TJ.
did that, it would have
TJ, do a couple of
Spray
tests.
it right there.
okay, hold on, let me do it.
So you can get used to the feel
on the
of it.
ground. What is that gonna do?
Wasting it all. Wasting it all.
Done. Can's
Done.
empty.
Okay, let's return it so we get a full can now. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Keep moving though.
Yeah, hell.
That's good for one coat, man.
Yeah, keep
Paint like
holding
me.
it. Good job.
Very good, very
He paints like me.
Oh, you fucking... I saw you in that video, you like... I was like, what the fuck is this dude
That's how you do it, you know that?
No.
Yeah, I don't want to alarm you, but you already have overspray right there.
Where?
I told you, fuckers.
No
Right
way.
there.
Oh,
I
fuck yeah.
told you, fuckers.
Oh, it's coming off.
What did I tell
Oh my
you?
god.
What did I tell you?
Okay, no problem.
No problems, no problems.
Just like India. Good thing it's plastic.
Now-
You know, have a check.
Round 2.
Even coats, even coats.
That was
Even coats my ass.
Mm.
He's going for a contrast. He wants this side chrome and that side black.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he punched his car literally. He told him who's bitch.
Told her who's bitch. Oh my god, why is this corner not touched?
He wants to keep it chrome.
Oh,
Oh my god, I just said not to do
Okay,
that.
go when you sweep over here. Yeah, move that way.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I like this. This is a good project. This is fucking everything up right now.
This is how not to do plastic dip.
No, this is exactly how to do plastic. To get TJ to do it with his nice.
Christ.
Okay.
Watch him go like.
Shrimps down everywhere. How did you get overspray here?
TJ, what are you
How
doing,
did you
G?
do that?
I told you there'd be overspray.
Oh, it is. It's rubber.
Hey, I'm gonna spray your face.
Oh yeah. Wait. Look at he's doing the shitty technique. Bro, you're so far away, it's traveling onto his windshield. Bro, you gotta get closer.
Ronan, buddy. You're getting more overspray than anything.
You guys see him flying onto your fucking windshield. This is technique. Oh my god.
Fucking, this is not enough coverage on your.
Keep going.
No, I don't like this taping job.
That's
perfect.
good. That's good. Yeah.
Let me just get a full view of the stance.
I just turned mine into a dance. Look how this corner is so sad. Look at that. Okay, we'll fix it. At least your car will look kind of cool now. If you sprays himself in the head by accident.
Adjusted.
He's going, fuck it. No, it's not your car.
You're gonna get small.
I looked up in the face, I said it's not your car.
There you go. There you go. Hell
Just like
yeah.
working with wood.
Hell yeah. Oh, getting a little wet there. Getting a little wet there. Move on.
We should give it like a few minutes ago.
Yeah, you gotta
Yeah.
stop putting wet coats on.
That fucking Sasha did. This is the line that I did. Okay. Fucking idiots.
Don't close it.
Well,
It's
you can see
starting
it
to
quickly.
rain, so we couldn't finish it.
Yeah.
Someone didn't look at the weather forecast.
Huh, I'm
We did.
I said to do tint, but someone didn't listen.
That would have been worse.
That would have been worse right now.
Oh, wow.
This we can peel off and like.
It looks awesome. Keep it like that.
I mean, it still looks.
If it was done properly,
Good.
yeah, it looks sick.
Is it tease it peel time round 2?
Let it dry so we
Let
can
it dry a
peel
little bit more,
Yeah,
we'll peel it later.
easy to peel.
Yeah.
Look at this shit, man. What the fuck? You got
Oh,
it
it's
on
just
the
coming out?
paint.
Yeah. Okay, it's just coming. Kinda. So no.
You just leave it,
Wow.
leave it for now so it can dry.
Now
I can't even take my car anywhere.
Now we're taking the camera when we go.
Oh,
It
why?
looks good though if it's done right.
It's
Yeah.
literally raining and it's
Yeah,
sunny.
it should be black stock.
Like if it's done right, it'll look good.
The last of
Like,
TJ's
yo, you should grab your board and fucking tap
beautiful
it.
wrap. So did you actually
Oh,
go into
yeah.
a tree at any time?
No, no.
Oh.
I was just fucking with
Last
you
of
that time. I told these guys I walked up to the Sasha. I'm like, yo, I fucking hurt myself really bad. I got this huge scar on me because I was snowboarding into a fucking tree.
Don't shoot.
And then I fucking showed a tattoo.